Like so many districts across the country, the staff at Chenango Valley Central School District are being asked to do more with less to meet budgetary, legislative, and personnel challenges. Located in South Central New York, near the Pennsylvania border, Chenango Valley Central School District supports 1,800 students across more than 380,000 square feet of educational facilities. Technology is often the first solution districts turn to when looking to improve efficiency across operations, including facility management. As Director of Facilities and Operations, Andrew Burlingame led the effort to identify which processes could be improved using proven K-12 technology and practices. Event scheduling, including community use requests, was one of the first orders of business.
We were completely paper-based, and it was a system where, requests would go into a few different offices. They tried to track them and keep everything on one master calendar. That didn't really seem to work. The scheduling software was where we really wanted to start.
Eventually, the district landed on Follett Software's Facility Schedules solution that automates both internal and external community event scheduling, including public and private web calendars, finances, and work orders for event setup and teardown.
They went in, they were able to pull all of our legacy data over to the new system so that we didn't lose any, in-progress work orders or, stuff that we might need to go back and look at down the road. It made it incredibly easy. The support team was awesome. They helped with any hiccups that we might have had, not that there were many, but they've been really good at building new features into the system to just make it that much easier to use.
Following the district's positive experience implementing Facilities Schedules software, they set their sights on upgrading work orders to make day-to-day operations even more efficient.
That system was starting to show its age. There weren't a lot of support features with that. They were kind of sunsetting that and moving on to a new system was my understanding. So we made the change in Chenango Valley back in 2019, early 2020, I believe it was. That rollover was fantastic. After seeing what their system offered, we thought it was a great fit given what we actually do day to day with the schools, and then combine that with the scheduling portion of the software that they offered.
Once Chenango Valley CSD had their new work order software up and running, they contracted Follett Software's professional services team to survey all district buildings and capture up-to-date data on more than 2,000 assets, including locations, photos, and manufacturer tags. Data from the tags was later used to populate asset record fields such as install and warranty dates, as well as preventative maintenance procedures.
They came out, they had a great team on site that went through and digitized and logged every single asset that we need to know about in the buildings.
Captured using Follett Software's Facilities Drawings Interactive Floor Plans application, asset data was immediately available in the district's work order and event scheduling software for actionable tasks. The district eventually became an active Facilities Drawings subscriber to self-perform asset surveys and create custom maps.
There's a great place that they can upload drawings if they want to. They can put a little map together for exactly what they want for the setup, and it has saved us, I haven't quantified it, but I'm sure quite a bit of paper. That's been fantastic because it takes a lot of that historical knowledge out of the guys that have been doing this for 20, 30 years. So that has really helped with giving them access into the drawings portion of the software so that they can just find the information that they need.
The Follett Facilities Suite has made it easier for Chenango Valley CSD staff and community to quickly embrace a simpler, more connected way to manage scheduling, work orders, operations, all in one place.
It's awesome to have everything hosted right under the one system, if you will. So you log in, your same login is for work orders, is scheduling, is the drawings feature, and it's also really great that the systems talk to each other. So if a community member puts in an event that they want to use our auditorium and they need whatever setup, that can automatically generate a work order that ties back to our custodial team that's on site, and they can help.
While Follett software has been critical to improving operational efficiencies and extending asset usable lives, it's the people at Chenango Valley Central School District that make the difference.
I think the goal of any good leader in facilities management or anywhere really is to build a department that can kind of run by itself. For a lot of the day-to-day operations, I feel that having the right tools in place empowers our staff to be able to make a lot of those decisions and get proper, correct information back to make those decisions a little better. The system is great and it's a fantastic tool, but you can't use it as a replacement constant communication is always important. I think a big thing that we need to take into account as facilities directors is continuously growing, trying new things, taking in as much information as you can to see not only where your facilities are now and where your leadership style is now, but how you can take that forward and build capacity and build into that next gen facilities manager role, where the job is ever evolving and we need to as well.
To learn how the Facilities Suite can support your district, visit follettsoftware.com.